This is Edwin Castro's mansion. He is the winner of record $2.04 billion Powerball jackpot. He is a California native and recently bought this house for $25.5 million in cash. His super stylish home is located in Los Angeles, California. In all, it measures in at 13,500 square feet, with 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, an infinity pool, a wine cellar, a movie theater, a bar, and a fitness studio with hot and cold plunges. Recently built in 2022, this modern dwelling brings tremendous amenities for an updated lifestyle. There's also a double-height stairwell, a roof deck, and a 5-car showroom. Castro officially claimed the grand prize on Valentine's Day, February 14, 2023. Since then, Castro has spent a total of $76 million on 3 mansions in his native California and several classic cars, including 2 Porsches. What's the biggest lottery prize you've ever won?